Hello, I'm Eddie Levert of The O'Jays, and my friend John Stone and we have a vision, and we're trying to make this work. And if we sometimes seem a little pushy, we can't help ourselves. We're just trying to think outside of the box.
I love you, Eddie.
And speaking with John, like the first time I met him was at in Nemesis Park. Him and his people, they came to me and they said, well, we got this Hearts Come Together thing, and we're doing this and we're doing that. And I thought the idea was great, and I think that it's a great thing that goes along with what I feel that should go along in the world. I think that we are all brothers and sisters, and we're all traveling the same road. And we must help one another to do this and get to the finality of this, is to be as God-like as we possibly can and to show that love. So I think that this train can be full of people.
Oh, yes.
And I think that all we have to do is work toward that in the next year that comes. And let's get all the people that we can possibly get on the train, no matter what color, creed, Jew, Gentile, whatever. We should get all these people on this train. That is, if we have it in our heart, and we must have it in our heart. We can't have slacking in our heart. This is something that we must not drag our feet. It's an urgency. It's something that must be done, not tomorrow, today. And we put it off, we keep putting off, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it the next day. It will never get done. We have to put it in our heart that we're gonna do it 24/7, every day of the year, every day of our lives. That is our purpose. So if we all go off this train today and say, well, we're gonna fill up that love train next year, no matter what it takes to do that, that's what we should do. And I'm with you with it, and I want to do it, and my heart is good to be here, because the same things that he just read are the same things that went through my head earlier this morning laying in bed. And it made me get up, it made me get myself together and get down here and get on this train. That's it. We're going there, John. We're going.
That's it. But just heaven bound.
The next stop that we make will be tell all the folks in Russia and China.
China.
And Aruba.
Don't you know that it's time to get on board? Come on, Will.
Come on.
And
Let this train keep on driving, riding on through.
wow,
People all over the world,
right,
join hands.
right. Start a love train,
People all over the world,
all aboard now.
join hands.
Love ride,
Love train.
love ride.